Yeah, I mean, it's not a good look. And, it's like radiation, right? When you have a client, the last thing you want is bad information. That's why defense lawyers try to get it ruled out under Evidence Rule 403, because anything that you do, even if it's not necessarily relevant, that casts an aspersion on your character, and it's not good. But here, the connective tissue is that she was overwhelmed. She was incapable of taking care of the child. She didn't love the child. The child didn't love her. And in a moment, and this does happen. I mean, to the other side of the equation that I talked to you about before, people snap. I mean, there's classes and literature and experts, maybe some in this case, that are going to talk about classic instances in which children are harmed, murdered, and maimed because the parent doesn't have the parenting skills and support necessary when the baby's crying nonstop and things of that nature. So, this is like almost like a public service announcement kind of case. Did she wake up that day with the intention of killing that baby? No, I don't think so. And I think that may be an argument the defense uses down the road, that either she didn't do it or if she did do it, she did it under these mitigating circumstances. But notice the prosecutor, last question. Prosecutor's nervous. He knows where the cross-examination is going here, and it sounds like it's going to go towards, how do we know it's not you, that they put all their eggs in your basket, i.e. the father, and you're really the perpetrator? And have I seen mistakes like that made? They call the wrong person the victim and the wrong person the defendant? Sure. That's where I think we're going to see this going. So a lot going on here, guys. All agreed, right? So that's why this cross-examination, in my opinion, is going to be vigorous. It's going to be in his face. But also, again, I go back to that testimony of the expert witnesses on the cause and manner of death, because I really am going to need, guys, having done this a long time, you're going to have to really convince me that you can determine to an hour when somebody suffered the injuries that caused the death. Because my experience has been, they say they can do it, but in reality, on cross-examination, it falls apart. It's a very hard thing to do, which gets to the point that maybe the injuries occurred to this child when it was in the care and custody of the father, not the defendant.
And you're saying that as an EMT as well, not just a defense lawyer, former prosecutor, but that perspective also. All right now, though, let's go back inside the courtroom for more testimony in the Pageant Queen child murder trial.